Hello, everyone. I welcome you to another session. I am so excited today because I'm about to teach you something that would radically improve your French. The 40 French verbs you must memorize. In one session earlier, I taught you about the 8 most important verbs. Today, I'm going to give you the 40 most important verbs, but that's not the point. I'm also going to give you modal auxiliaries that can help you to navigate through these 40 verbs every single day in your spoken French. Are we ready? If you're ready, let's take it right away. So here are your 40 most important verbs starting from the 8 most important ones. All right, so repeat after me. Être, which means to be. Avoir, to have. Vouloir, to want. Pouvoir, can, or to be able to. Devoir, must, to have to. Savoir means to know. Aller means to go. Faire means to do or to make. Aimer means to like or to love. Penser means to think. There are a couple of words we have on this right hand side. We'll start to use them in the next slide. So let's go from 11 to 20. Repeat after me. Donner means to give. Regarder means to look or to watch. Dire, to tell or say. Parler means to speak or to talk. Venir means to come. Mettre means to put. Are you repeating after me? Commencer means to start. Manger means to eat. Boire means to drink. Dormir means to sleep. Then we have sortir, to go out. Rester means to stay or remain. Lire, to read. Écrire, to write. Connaître, to know. In this case, people and places. While savoir means to know things. Connaître is to know people or places. Partir means to leave. Entrer means to enter. Arriver means to arrive. Apprendre means to learn. Comprendre means to understand. All right. Sentir means to feel or to smell. Travailler means to work. Acheter means to buy. Acheter. Then vendre means to sell. Choisir means to choose. Recevoir means to receive. Voir means to see. Appeler means to call. Ouvrir means to open. Fermer means to close. And then we have prendre means to take. All right. This is the instruction before we go back. It says repeat these verbs over and over again until they are planted in your brain, but don't learn the verbs alone. The best way is to learn them using sentences, and this is where those modal auxiliaries come into place. It says starting from number 7, practice combining these modal auxiliaries vouloir, pouvoir, devoir, savoir with all the verbs above. Make sure you play around using different modal auxiliaries that suits each of the examples and translate. So let's get back to let's just get back to and start from number 11. Now look at your right side, lower right. Let's talk about the auxiliaries. So we have vouloir, pouvoir, devoir, and savoir. We don't have to use all the conjugations. Let's stick only to the je. So vouloir means want, right? How do you say I want? You say je veux. If you look at these verbs on the left already, you can almost use je veux with all of them. For example, je veux donner, I want to give. You can even stretch it. What do you want to give? Je veux donner de l'argent. I want to give money. Je veux regarder. I want to watch. What do you want to watch? Je veux regarder un film. I want to watch a film or a movie. Je veux dire. I want to say. What do you want to say? Je veux dire la vérité. I want to say the truth. Je veux parler. What do you want to speak? Je veux parler le français. Je veux venir. Je veux mettre. Je veux commencer. Je veux manger. Je veux boire. Je veux dormir. Can you see a lot of French you're speaking already? Right? So, I want you to experiment. Add something to, say for example, je veux donner add like 3 things. Je veux donner de l'argent. Je veux donner un livre. I want to give a book. Je veux donner une voiture. I want to give a car. Can you do that with je veux regarder? Do you understand what I'm saying? Now we go to je peux. Je peux means what? I can. And it would almost go for all of them as well. Je peux donner, I can give. Je peux regarder, I can watch. Je peux dire, je peux parler, I can speak. Je peux parler le français. You can add something in front of them. This is how you form sentences. You will never speak French if you learn vocabularies on their own. You will only speak when you begin to put vocabularies together to form sentences. Je veux venir, I want to come. Je veux venir chez toi, I want to come to your house. Je veux venir à la maison, I want to come to the house. Je veux venir à l'école, I want to come to school. Put something in front of them. Je veux mettre, I want to put. What do you want to put? Je veux mettre mon argent, I want to put my money. Je veux commencer, we're talking about pouvoir, sorry. Je peux commencer, je peux manger, je peux boire, I can drink. Je peux dormir. Let's go to devoir and see. How do you say I must or I have to? Je dois. For example, je dois donner. I have to give, right? Je dois regarder. Je dois regarder le film. I have to watch the film. Je dois dire la vérité. I have to say the truth. Je dois parler avec toi. I must speak to you. Je dois parler avec toi maintenant. I must speak to you now. Or I have to speak to you. Je dois venir. I have to come tomorrow. Or je dois revenir. I have to come back, right? Je dois mettre. I have to put. Je dois commencer maintenant. I have to start now. Je dois manger du pain. I have to eat bread. Je dois boire du thé. I have to drink tea. Je dois dormir. I have to sleep. Can you see? That's why I said these modal auxiliaries, this is the real French. If you learn them, you can make massive amount of sentences, right? Or number of sentences. What about je sais? This one might not go with all, but it will go with some. Je sais means what? I know how to, or I know. I know how, if I say je sais donner means I know how to give. Maybe je sais donner injection. I know how to give injection. Je sais regarder. I know how to watch. I know how to see. Well, je sais dire. I know how to say. Je sais parler. I know how to speak. Je sais parler le français, for example. I know how to speak French. And then you cannot even negate these words. Je veux donner. I want to give. Je ne veux pas donner. I don't want to give. Je peux regarder. I can watch. Je ne peux pas regarder. I can't watch. Je veux dire. I want to. Are you seeing why we put these modal auxiliaries in front? It's not about just these verbs. So it's for you to be able to combine them to make thousands of sentences. All right? Je dois donner. I have to give. Je ne dois pas donner. I don't have to give. All right? Je peux parler le français. Je ne peux pas parler le français. So just play around. Just play around. Let's go to the next set. Can you see sortir? Je veux sortir. I want to go out. All right? Je peux rester ici. Can I stay here? All right? Je dois lire le livre. I have to read the book. All right? Je sais écrire en français. I know how to write in French. Je veux te connaître. I want to know you. Je veux connaître Monsieur Casey. I want to know Monsieur Casey. All right? Je peux partir maintenant. Can I leave now? Je dois partir maintenant. I have to leave now. Are you saying now, je veux partir, I want to leave? You can make thousands of sentences just knowing these verbs. And you can also ask lots of questions with them. Do you get what I'm saying? Let's change this je to tu, for example. Tu veux, tu peux, tu dois, tu sais. The only thing you're changing is the je in front. The tu is still the same, in sound at least. For example, if I want to say, do you want to go out? I will say, tu veux sortir. Do you want to go out? Tu veux sortir. What if I want to make a statement, tu veux sortir, you want to go out? If I want to change it to a question, I just raise my voice at the end, tu veux sortir, and put a question mark in the written form. How do I say, can you stay with me? Translate, can you stay with me? So you start again with tu peux. Tu peux rester. Tu peux rester avec moi. Can you stay with me? How do I say you must write a letter? Tu dois écrire une lettre. You have to write a letter. Can you see? You don't have to change any form. The same way you say je veux, je peux, I can. You know, tu veux, tu peux, you can. That's how you just leave it like that. When you want to ask a question, you just have to raise your voice at the end. Is this amazing or amazing? All right? Je dois entrer. Je veux partir. Je veux apprendre le français. Je peux comprendre un peu. I can understand a little. Are you seeing that now? Let's go to the next set. Sentir, to feel. Je veux sentir. Je veux te sentir. I want to feel you. I want to smell you. Je peux sentir quelque chose. I can smell something. All right? Je dois travailler. I have to work. Je sais vendre. I know how to sell. Je veux choisir. I want to choose. All right? Je veux choisir passer le reste de ma vie avec toi. I want to choose to spend the rest of my life with you. Or you can use je peux. And you can combine je peux with what? Okay, passer is not here. We can use, okay, we use rester earlier on. And we can say, je veux rester avec toi toute ma vie. I want to be with you for the rest of my life. But let's move on. Let's live love and move on, all right? When recevoir. Je veux recevoir un colis. I want to receive a package. Je peux voir. Or je vois, I see. Je peux t'appeler. Je peux vous appeler demain. Can I call you tomorrow? Je peux vous appeler demain. You can see that most of them can go with most of the verbs. Je peux vous appeler demain. Can I call you tomorrow? Je veux vous appeler. I want to call you. Are you seeing that now? So that is what this this particular lesson is for you to be able to combine this with all the verbs here and then with all the verbs outside. Because if you can do this, even if you are in your first month, you can make 1,000 sentences, legit, clean sentences, both sentences in form of declarations and also in form of questions. If you stay on this lesson alone, listen over and over again, cover the lesson, keep it away on your own, try and form 50 sentences using je veux, je peux, je dois, tu sais, je sais, and then also use the two version to ask questions, and you will see that you have gone far. And this is examples I have here. For example, which are part of the things I've given already. All right, je veux aller à l'école, je dois faire mes devoirs, je dois aimer mon mari, je dois penser aux autres, je veux te donner de l'argent, je peux regarder un film, tu dois lire, dire la vérité, you must say the truth, tu sais parler l'anglais, beg your pardon, or tu sais parler anglais, tu peux venir avec moi, je dois mettre la guitare dans le sac. So, your classwork is to give your own 5 sentences combining modal auxiliaries and any of the nouns on the list. I feel like giving you even 10 because 5 is too simple. All right, so you can combine any of the modal auxiliaries with, your own list of verbs and all of that. So this is a very special class. I hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you in the next class. Merci beaucoup.